Hi everyone, it's Dugi here, and I'm excited to demonstrate our latest update for Dugi Guides 4.6. Dugi Guides will now come with its own built-in waypoint arrow, so you don't need to use TomTom or Carbonite anymore. The best part about this new arrow is that it will work in the Death Knight zone, the Worgen zone, and even inside dungeons, which will be really good with our Dungeon Guides update coming in a few weeks' time. We really like the 3D style that came with the TomTom arrow, so we created our own brand new arrow with a cool golden color to it that changes to red if you're facing the wrong direction. Currently there's no option to change the color of the arrow, but we will add that feature later. If you really want to change the color now, there is a way to do it manually by editing our file, and I can show you how to do that in our forum. The arrow contains all the standard features that you would expect from a waypoint arrow. You can move it anywhere on your screen and lock it in place. The arrow has its own menu, which you can access it by right-clicking on the arrow and select menu. There is an option to resize the arrow up to 150%. The resolution of the arrow is reasonably high, so it will still look good in larger sizes, and you can also resize the waypoint tags. We have updated our ant trail feature, so it is now running a lot smoother, and it doesn't flicker anymore and it looks really good. You can right-click on the waypoints on your map to remove it, and the ant trail will automatically update itself and reconnect the dots. If you don't like the ant trail feature, you can now go to the settings menu and disable it. You can also change the look of the arrow to a classic style. We modeled that arrow design from Blizzard's own gold minimap arrow. And there is also an option to use the TomTom arrow instead of our one, but you will need to have the latest version of TomTom installed. And TomTom will work on the Death Knight and Worgen zones as well. Our waypoint arrow will work perfectly with Carbonite, and the green button is now available for the Carbonite user to reset your waypoint. However, the Carbonite waypoint arrow is not working correctly in instant zone like Death Knight and Worgen. Unfortunately, this is something that Carbonite needs to fix. You can however use Dugi arrow in these zones just fine with the Carbonite map, and you can make the guide switch to Carbonite arrow later. Update your guides and add-ons now to version 4.6 to get these new features. And it is important that you update all your guides as well, because the older version of the guides are not compatible with this latest version of the add-on. I hope you enjoyed the latest update. I'm really looking forward to hear any feedback or what you think of the new arrow, so make sure you post your comment on our blog. This is Dugi, and thank you for watching.